Okay, so we are packing, getting ready for Dolores Riverfest. All this behind me is everything that we have to put in the little smart car. And we're gonna get this packed in there. So, what we have here is your typical 2008 Cabriolet smart car for two. So, the top is pulled back right now. I have the rails in New Mexico. There's a lot of dirt, so the rails, I needed to put a little bit of lubrication on them and get them all nice and clean so they are not going to fail while we're on our trip. But this is the space that we have to work with. This is the little trunk. This about the space there. So I need to make our solar panel fit. We need to be able to have electricity while we're gone, right? Next, I need to be able to make our home fit. In this box, I have our tent, two foam pads that go underneath our air blow-up mattress so it doesn't go flat. We like tenting, but we like to sleep comfortably too. And then we have two blankets, our pillows, and an axe. Then this is our clothes, both of our clothes. And this is our camera gear in the waterproof bag. We have a little bucket here that is collapsible for water that we end up needing out there. And then this right here is our picnic blanket and our 1 gallon of water. They're half gallon each, so we carry 1 gallon there. Next we have, well, it's cold up here in the mountains still, so this is our Mr. Buddy heater that will keep us warm inside the tent. This right here is our Goal Zero Yeti 400. That's going to be giving us electricity in there, and our solar panel will be powering that while we use it. So that will do our blow-up mattress, our cell phones, our tablets, because we'll be taking our big tablet and we use that as a TV. Next we'll have our 2 chairs. Then we have a shade. That's the smallest, most compact one that we could find to fit in the car. We have a little tripod seat here for in case somebody comes over and they need to sit down or so. And then we have our little table that folds out and made out of canvas that straightens out. So these are our LED lights that we end up using in case of a breakdown or something. It comes with the hammer and everything. I added some paracord just in case I need it for something else. It's a nice little spot since the car is so tiny. An umbrella. Since this car is so small and the engine is right in the back right there, there is no spare tire. So what I carry is a little compressor and some plugs, you know, just so I can plug the tire in case it gets a flat so we can get to where we need to get. This right here is my little scanning tool diagnostics. If I end up having a code on my car or something, this is what I go ahead and take with me to make sure that everything's running okay. All this is what we need to pack in there. Let's see how we get it done. Let's time lapse it. We got it. Okay, I think you see enough of her. Let's see on the other side. Pretty good. Okay.